Perfecting the Art of Italian, Neapolitan, Pizza, a step-by-step guide. Hello, pizza enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to Naples, the birthplace of the iconic Neapolitan pizza. If you're craving that authentic taste and crispy-yet-chewy crust, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're going to guide you through the art of crafting the perfect Neapolitan pizza right in your own kitchen. So, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this delicious adventure. Section 1, the dough. First things first, let's talk dough. Authentic Neapolitan pizza dough is all about simplicity. Combine high-quality Tipo 00 flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt. Mix and knead until you have a smooth, elastic ball of dough. Section 2, the fermentation process. Fermentation is key. Allow the dough to rest and rise for at least 8 to 12 hours or overnight. This slow fermentation develops the dough's flavor and structure. Section 3, hand stretching. Now comes the fun part, stretching the dough. Gently flatten the dough ball into a disc and start stretching it using your hands. The goal is to create a thin, even crust while leaving a slightly thicker edge, known as the cornichon. Section 4, sauce and toppings. Neapolitan pizza is all about simplicity. Spread a thin layer of high-quality San Marzano tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a border for the crust. Add fresh mozzarella and a few fresh basil leaves. Section 5, the oven. The secret to that perfect crust lies in a scorching hot oven. Preheat your oven as high as it can go, around 800 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 425 to 475 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone or steel, even better. Section 6, baking technique. Quickly slide your assembled pizza onto a preheated pizza peel or a flat baking surface dusted with flour or semolina. Transfer the pizza into the blazing oven and let it cook for just 60 to 90 seconds. Section 7, the final touch. When your pizza emerges from the oven, it should have blistered edges and a slightly charred crust. Finish it off with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Section 8, the fold and enjoyment. Neapolitan pizza is typically served unsliced. Fold the pizza in half, creating a satisfying pocket of deliciousness. Take a bite and savor the harmonious blend of flavors. Section 9, notes on authenticity. Keep in mind that Neapolitan pizza is a culinary tradition with specific guidelines. While the process is flexible, adhering to these principles ensures an authentic and delightful experience. Section 10, sharing the joy. Finally, the best part, sharing your masterpiece with friends and loved ones. Neapolitan pizza is more than just a dish, it's a communal experience that brings people together. There you have it, fellow pizza aficionados, a step-by-step guide to crafting the perfect Neapolitan pizza in your own kitchen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Until next time, may your dough always be elastic, your crust charred to perfection, and your pizza making skills ever improving.